HPSC Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024. Vacancy equals 2424. Date equals the 7th of August to the 27th of August 2024. Age equals. Fees equals general equals 1000 Rs. Other equals 250 Rs. Qualification equals PG with 55% in the related field Jor Net qualified PhD. The Haryana Public Service Commission HPSC has released the notification for the recruitment of 2424 assistant professors in the Education Department, Government of Haryana. The HPSC Assistant Professor Notification 2024 has been released on the 2nd of August 2024 and the online applications are accepted from the 7th of August to the 27th of August 2024. The eligible candidates can apply online from the website hpsc.gov.in starting from the 7th of August 2024. HPSC Assistant Professor Recruitment. Recruitment Organisation Haryana Public Service Commission HPSC Post Nami Assistant Professor ADVT. Number 42267 of 2024 Total vacancies 2424 Apply Start Date 7 August 2024 Category HPSC Assistant Professor Notification 2024 Official website hpsc.gov.in. Important dates. The HPSC Assistant Professor Notification has been released on the 2nd of August 2024. The online application form can be submitted online from the 7th of August to the 27th of August 2024, up to 5 p.m. The HPSC Assistant Professor exam date will be notified later by the Commission. Application fees. The HPSC Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024 application fee for all the category candidates is given below. Male, Gen, other state 1000 रुपए पर. Male, female, others 250 रुपए पर. PH, Haryana 0 रुपए पर. Payment mode, online. Vacancies, eligibility. Age limit. The age limit for the HPSC Assistant Professor Recruitment 2024 is 21-42 years. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 15th of July 2024. Age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Qualification PG with 55% in the related field Jor Net qualified PhD. Selection process. The selection process for the HPSC Assistant Professor Vacancy 2024 includes the screening test, subject knowledge test, interview, document verification, and medical examination. Screening test, subject knowledge test, interview, document verification (DV), medical examination. How to apply? Follow these steps to apply for the HPSC Assistant Professor Vacancy 2024. Visit the HPSC's official website hpsc.gov.in. Click on the Advertisements section in the menu bar. Click on the Apply Online button in front of the ADVT. Number 42267 of 2024 Assistant Professors. Duly fill up the HPSC Assistant Professor application form and upload the required documents. Pay the application fee and submit the HPSC Assistant Professor application form. Like, share or subscribe.